the face.
Are you guys doing the face?
No, he doesn't have a mouse guard.
Doing body.
Come closer.
Are you guys just doing body or face?
Want to? Don't really matter.
What? Is your pants on backwards? No. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Doty's out there? Yeah. Oh! Oh, shit. Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh.
There you go. That's how you get it. You guys are good team.
Come on, Clint. Come on. Come on.
Clint, remember what I told you about the straight forward?
I know.
Doty, you know what you're doing. You're fastball guy, ain't you?
Oh,
man, that was a good one. That was a nice little upper. If you want to quit, just quit.
Can you read real quick?
Clint's a big guy, ain't he?